Hello, my name is Jeff Fuller, and I'm going to talk to you about mounting your P-1000 on a gimbal head. P-1000 is a long-range Nikon point-and-shoot, and it benefits from being on a gimbal head. The P-1000 has a shallow mounting screw hole, unlike a lot of camera bodies and pro bodies that you might be used to. And its center of gravity is actually, somewhere in between here and here. So if you want to just mount a plate on here, you've got a can opener type situation here where you could just pop that stud right out. And we don't want you to do that. So what we've done is we've created a small 3D printed piece that will allow the lens to be cradled up front here, and that is mounted with a cable tie to hold it tightly to the lens, and that should keep everything pretty secure. So I'm going to show you how to mount this today. So if you have a P-35, it's going to come with a lens plate screw. This screw is too long for the P-1000, so in the kit, if you call our office, we'll send you one for free, and it is going to include a shorter screw, and also a shorter safety stop screw, and then 3 flathead screws to mount the plastic piece to the lens plate. So we're going to do that right now. So the first step here is take your piece of plastic here, and we're going to install it. So the long screws are going to go in the back here, and the shorter screw is going to go right here. Alright, now we're going to mount the special shorter safety stop screw. This one's shorter because the mounting screw, it's sharing, the hole is being shared by this screw and the mounting screw in the back there. So it has to be a little shorter. And then you take your normal traditional safety stop screw and you mount that in the back. This screw will come mounted, so I'm just going to remount it so you see what it's going to be like. So it's going to look like this when you get it. You want to slide that up to the front, and you want to unscrew that through the threads right there. So you're done with that screw down. We're going to put the new one in right now. Okay, so now we're going to mount this to the lens. So you're going to want to take the screw, get it lined up with the mounting hole, and right at this ridge is where the plate's going to stop. But right, there we go. So it's going to feel a lot more secure once we put that cable tie on. So you can see right now it's pretty good on there, and this is going to give you that side-to-side limitation of movement, which you're looking for. So if you're side mounting this thing, it doesn't want to twist on you. So now we're ready for our cable tie. So we're going to give you at least 3 cable ties here in case one breaks. They have about an 18-pound strength, so they're not super strong, but they're also not super weak. So, but if they did break, or you cut it funny and you need another one, we're going to send you a few just so you can make sure you get this done. So now I threaded it through these small holes right here, wrapped it around in through that notch, and I'm going to take a little pair of pliers right here, and I'm going to simply turn it a little bit here, twist it, which is going to give you a few more clicks in there, and then I'm going to take a pair of diagonal cutters. You could use a scissor, but this is going to get you much closer. And now we're done. That's all there is to it. And I'd mount it on this side here. so that you're not getting it in the way with your fingers here. But otherwise, you should have a pretty nice and smooth holding experience here, and this thing's going to be strong on there. So yes, if you want this kit, call our office and we'll send one your way. Have a great one. Thank you.